Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. Oh, the weekend is finally here, but I ended the week on a pasta Friday where I prepared Asian garlic noodles. I've been trying to get that one fitted in for several weeks and it was well worth it. It's just yummy. One little tip, don't add the water. If you need to, add just a little bit of the pasta water. It doesn't really need it, at least it didn't for me last night. Play that one by ear, but it's really good. The recipe will be posted in the group and tomorrow on the website. Today, the Culinary Expedition is back. This is to be the last Culinary Expedition until after the Thanksgiving holiday weekend. We are going to the Dominican Republic, where I'm going to be preparing Pollo Guisado, which basically means stewed chicken. Let's get to it. Got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs going here. We're also including red onion, red bell pepper, some garlic, some sugar, celery, lime juice, ground oregano, tomato, some tomato sauce, of course, some salt and some black pepper, some cilantro, and a little bit of parsley. This is kind of an interesting recipe. I was going over it yesterday. You have to kind of keep an eye on it. It's not a long simmer. It's not a short simmer. It's kind of in between. Because there's several stages to it. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun one. Yeah. I need a cup of coffee. All right, on this Saturday, I'm not sure what the weather's going to do today. I guess it's supposed to be sunny. All I know is cold for California. All right, on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.